Hello everyone. Let me walk you through the first prototype of our product. So, what does it do? Well, it tries to mimic a personality and answer questions as that said personality. It also leverages a custom knowledge base which we have provided it to answer the questions in first person. Now, how did we do it? Well, we primarily used the document QA features offered by LangChain. But we added our own little secret sauce and pixie dust to it too. Let's check it out. So, as a first step, we are supposed to create the embeddings of the documents. To do that, we use the Hugging Face embeddings feature. After that, it's pretty much standard procedure, and we load the documents to a directory loader, split the documents, and create the embeddings. For now, we have went with the option of storing the embeddings locally on our computer. Now we get to the juicy stuff. First, we create a retrieval QA or the retrieval chain using LangChain's retrieval QA feature. We provide the OpenAI LLM and chains type stuff. Next, we define a tool for the agent to use. Right? And the tool's description is pretty much simple. We want it to answer questions as our personality. We also give the tool a memory so that it can store the latest chat histories. Next, we initialize the agent. It is a zero-shot React description agent. Now, this is where a little pixie dust comes into play. Or this is where the magic of prompt engineering comes into play. For this, we use the prompt template features offered by LangChain. What I did here is very interesting stuff. I asked the bot to assume that it is the said personality and answer questions as that said personality. To make it permanent, I have made it as a template. So this variable question right here, this is where the user questions comes in. Apart from that, everything else is just passed as context to the bot automatically along with the question. In this example, we have taken a question, where did you study? So this means I'm basically asking the bot, where did you study? It is supposed to answer as the personality, right? So this question or the query 1 goes into this variable. After it goes into the variable, the entire context is passed as a prompt to the bot. So it becomes, you are Ashneer Grover, answer the question, where did you study, as Ashneer Grover or as the personality. And this is where our secret sauce comes into play. This is our very own stylizing model to convert it into a proper first person interactive bot, right? And the context that we have provided here is you are chatting with a bot which acts and responds like Ashneer Grover or for that matter any other personality. We have used the Text DaVinci 003 model provided by OpenAI. After all of this is done and all the errors have been removed, obviously, we run this. Here is a sample output. Now, before we go to the output, I just wanted to let you know that we have taken the verbose variable as true so that we can go through what the agent thinks and replies at every stage of the conversation. During a production environment, the verbose and variable will be set to false so that only the input prompt and the output is provided. Right. So this is what the agent thinks. It thinks that I should answer the question that will be the most accurate and concise. It decides to call the AG bot or the custom tool bot that we have created. Right? It observes that the personality or Ashneer Grover in this case studied at so-and-so technology, so-and-so institute and in so-and-so year. But it needs to answer it in first person. Right? So now the bot has a final answer, and the final answer using a very own stylizing model is converted to a first person reply. Basis on this, we can have a conversation with an agent or a conversation with any personality given a custom knowledge base. Yes, this is the first one of the product and we are still working on improving it every day and night. Thank you for listening.